guys, welcome back to my channel. I am about to run to an antique store. It's like an antique mall, it's huge, but it's just around the corner from my house. Today is the start of their Memorial Day weekend sale. I probably shouldn't have said that. You could be seeing this in August the way I upload, but I thought it'd be fun to film some clips in there and then do a haul when I get back home. So let's get going. Alright, so I just got home. Sorry if it bothers you that I have like a filter on my phone right now. I just don't really look that great, so it makes me feel better. But I just got home and I'm gonna pull everything out and just kind of show you what I got. Oh, and this is the kind of awkward stuff that happens to me all the time. I went to check out and the first thing I had picked up when I was there was this little thing of like a milk paint or chalk paint that one of the booth ladies, it was like her paint that she sells. And it was this really pretty like duck egg blue color. So I was like, oh, I think I'll try this. I think it was 12 something. But like I said, that's the first thing that I picked up when I was there. And then when I got to the checkout line, I had a bunch of other stuff. But I was like, oh, do you mind if I just put this back? I don't need it. And she was like, well, I do mind because it's mine. It made me feel so embarrassed. And I felt like she was like low-key offended. These are the few items that I grabbed. It actually isn't that much. It came up to $24 and some change. Sorry if this camera is really shaky. Anyways, so I found this cute, adorable plate that I wanted to maybe put in my kitchen. And then this one was 50% off, so maybe 75%, but I think 50% off of $7.50. And I just think the pattern is so pretty. And the pastel colors brings in a nice shabby chic feel. And then I got these two wood pieces. I'm not really sure what to call these, but they were $2 a piece. I did want to get some more, but like she had some that were a little shorter than this. But I think these are really cool, and all the other ones were way more expensive. So for $2, I thought that was a good deal. And then I grabbed this. I think it's just a planter. It was $3 and then 20 or 25% off. But I thought this green color was really pretty, so I might actually use it for a plant or just in some other way. But isn't that color so beautiful? I'm really loving greens and like blue-green colors right now. And then I got this sign. I have no idea how to pronounce this. I had to look it up, and it says it means bakery, so I thought that was cool. I'm gonna put it maybe above my oven in that little space, but it was originally $10 and I got it for I think $8. So I just thought that was really pretty. I like the distressing, and that blue color is really nice. So I thought I would just show you really quick that I actually put it above this like kitchen window I have. I'm not sure if it's gonna stay there. It's a little small for that space. I kind of wanted to do a plate wall, like a floral plate wall up there, since it goes up so high, but I don't know. This is where I have it for now, so I thought I'd just share that. And then last, I found this beautiful mirror because obviously, once again, I'm loving this green color. This was originally $12 something, and I think it was 50% off. I thought that was a really good price. It's like a light sagey green color, and it's a decent size. I might put this in my bathroom or somewhere like that. So yeah, that's the stuff I got. Also, do you like this table? I got this at Goodwill for 20 bucks. It was like a wood, like a orangish wood color, and I just painted the bottom white and then sanded down the top. And as you can see, has like a lot of, is it called variegated? I don't know, but I liked the way it looked. I was going to stain it, but I liked the way it looked, so I think I'm gonna leave it like this for a little bit. And I just need to get some chairs because I don't have any chairs at all. It's originally supposed to have like a leaf that goes in the middle, this pulls out, but I don't plan on doing that. So for 20 bucks, I thought this was a good deal. So that's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know if you like this style of video where I kind of take you along, show a few clips, and then where I do a haul at home. So if you want to stick around, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!